Hi, I'm Jeff Luhrsen, here to wish everybody a happy Independence Day. I hope you're enjoying your 4th of July weekend. Thomas Jefferson wrote the Declaration of Independence, and the words that everybody remembers, or just about everybody remembers, are these. We hold these truths to be self-evident, that all men are created equal, endowed by their Creator with certain unalienable rights, and among these are life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. Only in America was the first country to say that the right to pursue happiness is a God-given right, and that a government of the people, by the people, and for the people would be established to preserve that right. And some of you may have heard, because it made all the papers and a lot of history books, we had a big fight in the United States in the 1860s over who had a right to be free and who didn't. And President Lincoln talked about that on November 19th, 1863, in the Gettysburg Address. And President Lincoln said, "Our fathers brought forth on this continent a new nation, conceived in liberty and dedicated to the proposition that all men are created equal." And he finished the Gettysburg Address by saying that let us go forth from here and enjoy a new birth of freedom. So that was in 1863. And just last Friday, June 26th, 2015, the United States enjoyed another new birth of freedom, another expansion of civil rights for Americans. The lesbian and gay communities finally got an acknowledgement of their right to marry. And where does that come from? Well, probably where it comes from is from the Declaration of Independence, that all people are created equal, and they are endowed by their Creator, what Jefferson called nature and nature's God, with certain unalienable rights, and among those are life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. And so Justice Kennedy, who was writing for the majority, didn't mention the Declaration of Independence, but he did write this. Their hope is not to be condemned to live in loneliness, excluded from one of civilization's oldest institutions. They ask for legal dignity in the eyes of the law. The Constitution grants them that right. And sure, the Constitution did grant them that right, but the Constitution didn't become the law in the United States until 1789. Everything began on July 4th, 1776, with the words that Jefferson wrote, that the Founding Fathers signed, that all men are created equal, endowed by their Creator with certain unalienable rights, life, liberty, and the pursuit of what? Happiness. I hope you and your family have all of that this weekend. God bless.